Hi everybody, Mike Bailey here from Primeline Products. In today's world, safety should always be a top priority, especially when it comes to protecting your family from potential intruders. That's why we're excited to introduce to you the Primeline new and improved high security door lock, a crucial tool for enhancing the security of your home. Our high security door lock is crafted from solid brass, ensuring unmatched durability and strength, with the ability to withstand up to 800 pounds of force exerted on your door. This lock provides an unparalleled level of protection. Unlike other locks on the market that are made from lesser grade metals, our high security door lock offers superior strength and reliability.
Hi there, my name is Jill. I'm calling from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And there was an attempted break-in at my home last week, Wednesday. And your Primeline door blocker, I have the gold one, saved my life as well as the life of my daughter. It was the only thing left on the door. Even when the Milwaukee policemen came, they asked me what that was that I had because they're going to purchase them for their own homes. I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really, really mean this for that product. It saved our life. And when I get a new door at the end of this week, I promise you I will be purchasing one for my front door and my back door. And again, I cannot thank you enough. Your product saved our life. Have a great night. Bye.
Don't compromise on your safety. Choose the Primeline new and improved all brass high security door lock for your entry doors and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your loved ones are safe and secure.